Hello guys, welcome for today's video. So for today guys, I will show you a tutorial on how to make your picture a 3D one using your TikTok app. So guys, it's so simple and easy. So guys, all you have to do is follow the steps. So guys, please keep on watching because I will teach you how. So now, guys, let's start. So, punta tayo sa TikTok app natin. So, since pag-open natin, nandito tayo sa home, punta naman tayo sa profile natin, guys. So, ito yung profile ng TikTok app ko. So, i-click natin itong plus sign na nasa pinakababa. And then, here we go. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, sa pinakababa talaga, may camera, may live, at templates. So, gagamitin natin ang templates. So, ito yung makikita ninyo guys. 3D Zoom Pro. And then sa baba, may select photos. So, click natin ang select photos. So, ito yung makikita natin guys. So, pipili muna ako ng pick. So, gusto ko. So, ito guys. Nakapili na ako. Ito yung napili kong picture. And then, click mo lang ang okay. So, yan. Applying effects na siya. Hintay-hintay lang muna tayo, guys. So, madali lang to. So, yan, guys. Tapos na siya. So, ito na ang kalalabasan niya. So, see? Zoom na siya, nag-zoom. So, yan guys, super dali lang. Then, next mo lang, kung okay na sa'yo, next, click mo lang ang next para i-upload na. So, yun lang guys, super dali. Another thing nga po pala, if ever sa pag-click nyo dun sa templates, hindi available yung 3D Zoom Pro, try nyo po na i-update yung TikTok app ninyo. I'm sure magiging available na ang template na yon. So, yun. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to click the like button below, leave a comment and subscribe, and click the notification bell as well so that you will be updated for my upcoming videos. So that's all for today guys. Thank you.